Hello guys, this is Salik Abdul Rahman and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove the cache of your WordPress website. Alright, there are many plugins available in the market, mostly are paid and mostly are not working perfectly. Alright, I personally recommend WP Rocket plugin. Okay, this plugin is not free but I will share the link in the description so you can download it in your PC. So first of all, you need to understand what is cache. Actually, these are all the temporary files and also the unused CSS in your website. So it will slow down your website. Sometimes you feel like your internet is working perfectly, but still your website is very slow. So you need to install the plugin called Cache Remover plugin, and I personally recommend WP Rocket. Okay, it is the Cache Remover plugin. You need to install it now and then activate it. Then you will see the WP Rocket on the top bar. Okay, this is the WP Rocket. So what you need to do, just click on that clear cache button and it will clear all the temporary files and also the unused CSS from your website. And your website, you will notice your website will be so smooth after you clear the cache. All right, so this is all about in this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.